Throughout human history, invisible enemies have shaped our world more than kings' wars, or empires. Plagues have rewritten borders, collapsed civilizations, and changed the fate of humanity. These are the 15 deadliest plagues ever recorded, forces so powerful that they reshaped the world we live in today. The Black Death, the plague that rewrote humanity. In the 14th century, a microscopic bacterium called Yersinia pestis turned Europe into a graveyard. It spread through fleas, rats, and human breath, killing up to 200 million people. Streets filled with bodies. Entire villages vanished. The social order collapsed. The Black Death didn't just kill, it transformed society forever. Smallpox, the silent executioner. For thousands of years, smallpox scarred, blinded, and killed without mercy. It wiped out empires and decimated indigenous populations. Survivors were left marked for life. Entire civilizations were reshaped by a virus only 300 nanometers wide. The Spanish flu, the pandemic that outran the world. In 1918, a mutated influenza virus spread faster than any army. It killed young, healthy adults in hours, drowning their lungs from the inside. 50 million deaths in a single year. More than World War I itself. A reminder that evolution doesn't need centuries, sometimes it only needs a season. Cholera, death by dehydration. A bacterium that turns water into a weapon. Cholera drains the body so violently that a healthy person can die within hours. It reshaped cities, sanitation systems, and the way humanity understands water. Malaria, the eternal killer. No plague has killed more humans than malaria. A parasite carried by mosquitoes that hijacks your blood, destroys your cells, and rewrites your biology. Ancient, relentless, and still killing hundreds of thousands every year. Tuberculosis, the slow, beautiful death. Once called the romantic disease, tuberculosis consumed poets, kings, and entire families. It spreads through a single breath and can remain dormant for decades. A slow erosion of the lungs that has killed over 1 billion people throughout history. The Justinian plague, the empire breaker. In the 6th century, the Byzantine Empire faced a plague so devastating it killed half its population. It weakened armies, collapsed economies, and changed the course of world history. The empire never fully recovered. HIV, the modern shadow. Emerging in the late 20th century, HIV dismantles the immune system from within. Millions died before treatment existed. Millions still live with its impact today. A virus that turned biology, stigma, and fear into a global crisis. The third cholera pandemic, the global awakening. This wave of cholera in the 1800s forced humanity to confront a truth: disease doesn't spread by bad air. It spreads through contaminated water. It revolutionized public health and saved countless future lives. The Antonine Plague, the beginning of Rome's fall. A mysterious disease, likely smallpox, swept through the Roman Empire. It killed soldiers, weakened borders, and destabilized the greatest power of the ancient world. A plague that helped bring an empire to its knees. The Asian flu, the forgotten killer. In 1957, a new influenza strain emerged and spread across the world. It killed over 1 million people, yet remains overshadowed by other pandemics. A reminder that history's deadliest threats don't always make headlines. The Hong Kong flu, the virus that returned. In 1968, another influenza mutation caused a global pandemic. It spread through air travel, a new era of disease transmission. A warning that viruses evolve faster than we can predict. The measles epidemics, the child killer. Before vaccines, measles killed millions of children. It spreads explosively, infecting up to 90% of people exposed. A virus so contagious it can linger in the air for hours. The potato blight, the famine that killed a nation. Not all plagues infect humans directly. In the 1840s, a fungal-like organism destroyed Ireland's potato crops. 1 million died. 2 million fled. A plant disease reshaped global migration forever. COVID-19, the pandemic of the modern world. A virus that shut down cities, emptied streets, and changed the way humanity works, travels, and lives. It exposed the fragility of global systems, and the power of science to respond. A reminder that plagues are not ancient history. They are part of our present. Throughout history, plagues have shaped borders, destroyed empires, rewritten economies, and transformed human biology. They are invisible forces that decide the fate of civilizations. And while medicine has advanced, one truth remains: the smallest organisms on Earth still hold the power to change everything. Humanity survives not because we are strong, but because we learn.